CTV family. Catch us live on your TV screens. CPT where we be. 4 p.m. till 5 every week. CTV family. Catch us live on your TV screens. CPT where we be. 4 p.m. till 5 every week. Live.
Oh yes, welcome to your Monday edition of Excelite right on DSTV channel 263. Kuyabanda eKapa. Hope you guys nihleli nengubo nekapa yekof and you guys are keeping warm because Cape Town is literally freezing. But if you're joining us from any part of South Africa City, welcome and thank you for joining us and inviting us into your lounges namhlanje. But of course, igama lami Mihlali, not Mihlali Ndamase, but of course Mihlali Ndlovukazi kaQoqoyeke, and I am not rolling alone. I am with Mr. JJ Prime. What it do?
Hey, what it do, what it does. It's your boy JJ Prime, the Kaapstad champ. It's cold. It's Monday.
Yep.
Get your coffee. We're about to have a great show for y'all.
Yes, of course. Everything namhlanje we're talking about career, we're talking about sports, and we are talking about entrepreneurship. So if you guys have any interest in the things that I've just mentioned, make sure bana awuyi now, because we are going to be joined by Unolin. We're also going to be joined by Virgil Smart, and we are going to be talking about their journeys in their respective fields. But we also have a question for you guys, because what is this show without engagement with Abantu Bet, with the XA family? We are asking, have you guys ever had the thought of becoming a referee? If yes, which sports and why would you choose to go into that field? So please make sure bana niyaxhumana nathi ku WhatsApp and you let us know what your thoughts are.
Of course, on today's lineup, we also got Johnson in the building, ready to tell us about his journey with hip-hop, how it started, and where it's going. It's really exclusive information. We know how you guys love exclusive information. So if you've got exclusive information for us, contact us at XA_live on Instagram and Twitter. You can email us or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well.
But of course, there is a lot that is happening on our social media streets, and we want to find out no Twitter, no Facebook, no WhatsApp, no Ndondoni. So please make sure you guys are coming on us. But now it's time for trending news. My shine. This part is called Trending News, and this is where we let you guys know what is happening in South Africa. And guys, when I say South Africa is burning, I literally mean that in the most literal sense ever, because the riots that are happening within the country, I'm sure you guys have been watching the news, you guys have been kubi, but Yizolo, the president Cyril Ramaphosa, he addressed the nation and he announced that the cabinet, after consultation with the provinces, has decided to maintain the country at adjusted alert level 4 with an additional 2 weeks. So Siseko level 4, Betuna, we are not on level 3, 2 or 1, we are still under level 4, and the following restrictions will remain in place. So the evening curfew from 9 until 4 is still in place. You're not allowed to be out of your apartment after the hour of 9 and before 4 a.m. Also, social, religious, and political gatherings will remain prohibited. So guys, I'll call you already. There's no parties, there's no nothing. All of those gatherings, they are still prohibited. But we also have the sale of alcohol. It also remains prohibited. So utshwala bethu nabo savaliwe xolweni. But zikhona restrictions that were eased down a bit. Restaurants and eateries will be operating, but they have to ensure they observe strict COVID-19 protocols. And we also have gyms and fitness centers that will be opening, and agricultural activities such as livestock auctions will be permitted. But as you guys have seen, there are a lot of protests that are happening now, and these were after people are calling for the release of former President Jacob Zuma, and they're saying, "Bana, cabinet, the government, they must just relieve Jacob Zuma." And we've seen a wild spread of violent protesting. People are looting shops, people are looting mall, and this is mainly in KZN and Gauteng. So breaking news just, and I think an hour ago it was announced that President Cyril Ramaphosa will be addressing the nation today as a response, because Izolo, he did address us, but he didn't really touch on what was happening, and it was kind of dismissive. So namhlanje he will be addressing the nation to say, man, okay, this is what's happening and this is the state of the country. But also in the news, Springboks, or some of the team members, their Springboks, have tested positive for COVID-19. So we really do hope, man, all of those that tested positive, they isolate, they do what they have to do, and they recover from COVID-19. As you know, man, this virus and this pandemic has been very deadly, and it has had a very bad state and influence up in South Africa. But that is all we have for eTrending News. Namhlanje, uJJ, uhleli artist. Let's see what they have to say.
Yeah, guys, so that's the moment we've all been waiting for. We've got Johnson in the building, ready to tell us about his journey. Johnson, thank you so much for coming, my brother. How have you been?
I've been good. Thank you for having me.
Oh, of course,
I
it's always
appreciate
good
the
to have
time, as
another
always.
creative in the building. The last time, if you guys are loyal viewers, you must know that he was on the show previously before. He did a little acoustic performance for us, which was really, really amazing. So I'm really excited to see what he has for us next. He will be doing a little performance afterwards. So tell me, Johnson, how is it, the Disciples? I remember you had a group with some of your friends called the Disciples. What happened to that?
Well, we sort of grew up. Kids got married and then they moved on. One is living in the UK. One is still back home in Lesotho. So that's what sort of happened.
Okay, and you sort of kind of like just found your way around there, because I know how it starts. You know, you always start in a group and they always encourage you to start a certain thing, and then some of them, you know, don't take it as serious as you, or was that the case with
Well,
what you were dealing with?
that's not really the issue. It's not that they didn't take it serious, but you know, when you get married and responsibilities change, you sort of put off all your focus and energy on there.
Yeah.
But seeing that I'm still a bachelor, not married and all of that, I still have the
I
opportunity
feel
to
you.
pursue the things I love.
I see you. So you're working on a new album.
Yeah, I'm working on a new project. It's called Faded Dreams and Fears.
What inspired that title?
It was inspired by a lot of things that I've been going through, dreams that didn't work out, and fears, things that I've had to fight, go head on with, and all of that. So it's all in there.
So it's been a pretty tough journey for you, eh?
It's been good.
And how did you overcome some obstacles that, you know, one may encounter while trying to be a superstar?
Trying to be a superstar, interesting
Hey,
question.
sorry, I mean, you are one.
That's not what I'm saying. But I think for me, what's been important is keeping my head focused on the things I love and remaining hopeful and prayerful.
Tell us about this. This is exclusive information, am I correct? The performance you're doing for us right after the interview.
Yes, it's the song, I've only done it here. This is the second time I do it, like on a public platform.
And I really heard the sound check. When you were doing the sound check, I was like, what is that? That sounds so... I need to go and check this out. And when I came into the studio, it was actually you looking all good, you know what I'm saying? Like, as usual, no surprise there. So I'm really excited to see the performance and what you got. Who inspired the lyrics to the song?
There was this young lady back home that
Okay.
that I had a thing for. You'll hear it, like the song is very self-explanatory. It's called "It Only Gets Better."
Does she know that it's inspired by her though?
Fortunately, she does. She does. She's a good friend right now.
Okay. So you guys are just keeping
She's
it
a very
on that
good friend
level.
right now.
Okay, would you recommend her to be like your muse?
Well, she's a friend. Let's just say.
Okay. Let's just leave it at that. So, where can they find you on socials, anything like that? If they want to do collaborations with you, because I mean, you know, it's all about collaboration these days.
I'm on Twitter most of the time. It's Johnson Matete. It's just the same word at Johnson Matete on Twitter and Facebook,
Right.
as well as Instagram.
Okay, and you have a lot of engagement with Twitter, you said. I tried to use Twitter, you know, but like, I don't even understand. Like, it's just like retweets. So I'm an Insta guy, right? And I did follow you on Instagram, so shout out to me for following you on Instagram.
I'll do the right thing and follow you back.
Please do, my brother. I need the followers, you know what I'm saying? And if you at home, please follow the Kaapstad Champ and XC. Don't forget that. But for now, we're going to prepare for your performance, my brother. I'm really excited to see that. I'm sure you guys are too, so stick around for that.
saw you the other day, and I fell right through the cracks. I melted from within. I was blessed when you sang the very words to this song. I became your biggest fan. I couldn't help but girl to think, can I be your man? Yeah. And it only gets better, baby. Only gets better. Only gets better, dear love. It only gets better. Only gets better, baby. Only gets better. Only gets better, la la. It only gets better. Going back to the other day, how you sang and what I felt. Lerato leo li bontite, how bua li how teha. Dikotite marame, how bosso sela we are libera. I couldn't help but girl to think, all I want you when I fell, yeah. And it only gets better, baby. Only gets better. Only gets better, dear love. It only gets better. Only gets better, baby. Only gets better. Only gets better, la la. It only gets better. Only gets better, baby. Only gets better. Only gets better, dear love. It only gets better. Girl, maybe we're too slow to see. Girl, maybe we're too slow to see. Girl, maybe we're too slow to see. Make you better.
CTV family.